Did you know there are airports built inside mountains, floating on water, and even planned to be constructed underwater? Welcome to WorldWise, where we uncover the most unbelievable places and facts from around the world. Stay till the end to discover an airport of the future that will blow your mind. Airports aren't just gateways to adventure. They're marvels of engineering and design. From breathtaking runways perched on mountain peaks to terminals that look like futuristic cities, today, we're taking you on a journey through the most unique airports on Earth. These engineering wonders show how human creativity defies nature and pushes boundaries. Let's explore. First stop, Norway, home to Oslo Airport, Gardermoen. An airport that blends stunning design with nature. Built in a region surrounded by mountains, architects had to solve massive challenges: extreme weather, tough terrain, and sustainability. Using innovative materials like recycled steel and natural light, this airport isn't just a travel hub. It's a model for eco-friendly design. Plus, passengers glide through the terminal with seamless technology that makes travel effortless. Did you know some airports are turning into massive art galleries? Take Singapore's Changi Airport, where towering sculptures, kinetic art, and lush indoor gardens redefine the travel experience. Art inside airports not only calms anxious travelers, but transforms airports into cultural masterpieces, making every journey memorable. Imagine landing at an underwater airport. Sounds impossible? Think again. Countries like the Maldives are already proposing floating and underwater terminals to combat rising sea levels and save land space. But building below the waves comes with challenges, from pressure-resistant structures to eco-friendly construction to protect marine life. Still, underwater airports might just be the future of air travel. And speaking of the future, what if airports could recognize you as you walk in? What if your luggage moved on its own? Welcome to smart airports, powered by AI, autonomous vehicles, and personalized services. With biometric passports and robotic assistance, future airports will make travel faster, safer, and way cooler. The only question is, are you ready to board? If these airports blew your mind, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to WorldWise for more epic journeys across our planet. Which airport would you want to visit first? Let us know in the comments.